Welcome to Health Haven, where we unlock the secrets to a healthier lifestyle with simple dietary changes. Today, we're exploring the powerful benefits of a common yet remarkable food, oats. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button to support our channel. Discover the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Dive into Health for You, where every video brings you closer to wellness. Whether you're looking to revamp your diet, master mental wellness, or just feel fantastic, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our life-changing tips and tricks. Subscribe now by clicking the link in the description and start your journey to a healthier life today. Why oats? A superfood for everyday wellness. Oats are celebrated worldwide, not just for their versatility, but also for their impressive health benefits. When integrated into your daily diet, oats can significantly enhance your well-being, provided you keep toppings healthy and avoid excessive sweeteners. One of the standout benefits of oats is their ability to manage cholesterol levels. Rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber, oats help lower harmful LDL cholesterol without affecting the good HDL. This reduction in cholesterol levels is crucial in preventing heart disease, the global leading cause of death. Moreover, oats contain antioxidants that, alongside vitamin C, prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key factor in heart disease progression. For those struggling with type 2 diabetes or high blood sugar, oats can be a game changer. The beta-glucan in oats helps slow digestion, reducing the rapid absorption of glucose. This can improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize blood sugar levels, making oats an excellent choice for sustained energy throughout the day. Another great reason to start a day with oats is their role in weight management. Oatmeal is not only delicious but also incredibly satiating. The fiber in oats expands in your stomach, prolonging feelings of fullness and helping you consume fewer calories. This natural appetite suppressant supports weight loss and can help prevent obesity. Oats aren't just good for your insides, they're also a boon for your skin. Used in numerous skincare products, oats help treat irritation and itchiness. Whether you have sensitive skin or conditions like eczema, incorporating oat-based products can provide relief and improve skin health. Introducing oats early in a child's diet might lower the risk of childhood asthma, a prevalent chronic condition. Unlike other foods that might exacerbate allergies, oats can provide a protective effect when introduced before 6 months of age. Especially in the elderly, constipation can be a common issue and making regular bowel movements difficult. Oats can offer a natural solution. The fiber in oat bran helps improve digestive health and regularity, reducing the need for laxatives. So how can you enjoy the benefits of oats every day? Start with a simple bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. Just boil half a cup of rolled oats with water or milk and a pinch of salt. Enhance your oatmeal with fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor and nutrients. Can eating only oats lead to weight loss? While a diet solely of oats is not recommended for long-term health, incorporating oats regularly can aid in weight loss. Oats are a low-fat, high-protein food that helps you feel full longer, thus reducing your overall calorie intake. Let's delve deeper into some less known but equally important advantages of including this superfood in your diet and explore creative ways to incorporate oats beyond the breakfast bowl. While oatmeal is a popular choice for a hearty breakfast, oats can be included in your diet in a variety of ways that may surprise you. Their neutral flavor and adaptable texture make them an excellent addition to savory dishes as well. Transform traditional oatmeal by going savory. Cook your oats in low-sodium vegetable broth and top them with sautéed vegetables, a sprinkle of cheese, and a poached egg. This version not only diversifies your intake, but adds a perfect blend of protein and fiber, making it an ideal meal for any time of the day. For a quick on-the-go meal, let oats into your smoothies. They add a creamy texture and boost the fiber content, which helps in prolonging satiety. Combine oats with bananas, a handful of spinach, Greek yogurt, and a touch of honey for a balanced smoothie that powers you through the morning or replenishes energy post-workout. Oats can replace a portion of regular flour in recipes for muffins, bread, and cookies, enhancing nutritional content and adding a unique texture. Oat flour is easy to make at home by simply grinding rolled oats in a food processor. This substitution not only increases the fiber content in baked goods but also adds a mild, nutty flavor. Ground oats can be used as a binder or extender in meat recipes such as meatballs, burgers, and meatloaves. This not only makes your meat dishes go further, but also makes them healthier, lowering the fat content while increasing fiber. Creating your own granola at home allows you to control the ingredients and minimize added sugars. Mix rolled oats with nuts, seeds, a bit of oil, and your choice of sweetener, then bake until crunchy. Homemade granola can be a healthier topping for yogurt or a delicious snack on its own. Oats are more than just a convenient food item. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a vital role in maintaining health. Oats are rich in avenanthramides, antioxidants unique to oats. These compounds help reduce blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production, which aids in dilating blood vessels, leading to better blood flow. Oats contain important vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients contribute to energy production and the optimal functioning of your body. The beta-glucan in oats is a soluble fiber that has significant health benefits. It helps to reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels, promotes healthy gut bacteria, and increases feelings of fullness. The benefits of oats for digestive health go beyond simple constipation relief. Regular consumption of oats helps maintain a healthy gut, which is crucial for overall health. Beta-glucan is a prebiotic fiber feeding the good bacteria in the intestine. A healthy gut flora is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and even mental health as it may influence mood and stress levels. High-fiber diets are associated with a lower risk of developing colorectal cancer. By including oats regularly in your diet, you're supporting your body's ability to remove waste efficiently and reduce carcinogens in the gut. In addition to their health benefits, oats are also a sustainable choice for the environment. They require less water and pesticides compared to other grains and help improve soil health through crop rotation. Continuing our exploration of oats, let's delve into how this versatile grain can contribute to specific health conditions, influence athletic performance, and explore some global culinary traditions that highlight oats as a key ingredient. We'll also address some common myths about oats to ensure you're fully informed. Oats are a powerhouse for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Their complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, which is essential during long or intense workouts. The complex carbohydrates in oats break down slowly in the body, providing a sustained release of energy. This makes oats an excellent pre-workout meal for endurance athletes like marathon runners or long-distance cyclists. Oats are a good source of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Including oats in your diet can help enhance muscle recovery after strenuous workouts and aid in building lean muscle mass. Rich in important electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, oats help in maintaining fluid balance, which is vital during and after workouts. These minerals aid in muscle function and prevent cramping. Oats are not just a staple in Western breakfast tables, but also play a significant role in various international cuisines. Here's a look at how different cultures incorporate oats into their diets. In Scotland, oats have been a fundamental element of the diet for centuries. Traditional Scottish porridge is made with oats, water, and salt, and it's enjoyed with a variety of toppings like milk, cream, or whiskey. In Nordic countries, oats are used in baking it as a thickener in soups and stews. Oat bread, the dense and hearty bread perfect for topping with smoked fish or cheese, is a popular way to consume oats in these regions. In Russia, kasha is a common oatmeal dish made from various grains, including oats. It's served both sweet and savory, often accompanied by fruits or fermented milk products. Despite their numerous health benefits, there are several myths about oats that persist. Let's clear up some misconceptions. While oats are often associated with plain oatmeal, they are incredibly versatile and can be used in numerous recipes, from savory dishes to desserts. Their mild flavor makes them a perfect canvas for a variety of ingredients. Plain oats contain no added sugars. The confusion often arises from flavored oatmeal packets, which can be high in sugar. Opting for plain oats allows you to control the amount and type of sweeteners used. As we've explored, oats can be included in meals throughout the day, from breakfast to dinner and even in snacks. Their adaptability in recipes makes them much more than just a breakfast food. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video with 3 dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. To further inspire your culinary creativity, here are some innovative ways to include oats in your everyday cooking. Ground oats can be used as a lower carbohydrate, higher fiber alternative to rice. Cooked ground oats have a similar texture to cooked rice and can be used in dishes like stir-fries, pilaf, and even sushi. For a gluten-free pizza option, oat flour can be used to make a nutritious and tasty pizza crust. Combine oat flour with a bit of yeast, water, and olive oil to create a dough that bakes up crispy and delicious. Mix rolled oats with nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and a bit of honey or agave nectar to make homemade energy bars. These are perfect for a quick snack on the go and are far healthier than many store-bought alternatives. We encourage you to get creative with oats and share your experiences. Have you tried any unconventional recipes using oats? What's your favorite way to spice up your oatmeal? Let us know in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Haven for more informative and engaging content. Your support helps us bring more great health insights directly to you. Remember, whether you're an athlete looking for performance food, a busy professional seeking quick, nutritious meals, or someone exploring global cuisines, oats can be a fantastic addition to your diet. Explore, experiment, and enjoy the versatility and benefits of oats.